Guys, good afternoon and welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. In this video we're meeting again with Mario from Florida Hotrods, and he's gonna show us this beautiful Ford F100 that we have behind us. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you do, don't forget to let us know with a like, and if it is your first time passing by my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to the official Generation Old School YouTube channel. In this channel we post videos of old school cars and trucks. We meet with classic cars enthusiasts just like you to bring you the adventures you deserve. Not only we review each classic custom car in detail, but bring you the history and background of each vehicle. We also go on a street ride and test the vehicle's ability to perform above and beyond. If you like this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe, and also follow us on social media at Generation Old School on Instagram. Today we're taking a look at this 1955 Ford F100. I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick walk around video. I don't know much about this car, so I'm gonna try to do my best at explaining everything that we have. We're also gonna take a look at the rest of the cars that he has in the shop that he is currently working on. So let's go ahead and start by this one. This one, as you guys can see, it has Accuair suspension. The setup is right here in the back. Over there you have the airbags. This is the back of the truck. Let's move into the engine really quick. The engine is a Ford racing engine. For those of you guys that don't know anything about cars, of course it is not the original engine that came with the car, but it's still really nice. Now I'm not gonna talk about the specs because I don't know how much horsepower that engine has. With that being said, let's move into the interior of the vehicle. It has an automatic transmission, it has AC, it has a custom dashboard, that is the air suspension controller. The car sits really low. This is what I see. You guys are looking exactly at what I see if I was to be driving this truck. As you guys can see, it has a combination of gray or gunmetal, charcoal, and white with a huge lip. Just so you guys can have an idea, this is my hand, and look at the size of that lip. The interior is beautiful. I really like that blue and black combination. Let me know what you guys think about this car. If you like it, smash the like button right now on this video. Let's move up over to this car. This is a Camaro. This is another car that Mario has been working on. And something that Mario specializes on is doing engine swaps. As you guys can see, this one has an LS engine. They come either a Camaro, Corvette, Tahoe. This is a 1955 Chevy 3100. We have done videos with this car in the past. It belongs to a good friend of ours, Adolfo from 53 Films. And I'm sorry, I apologize, I said 1955 3100. It is a 1953 Chevy truck 3100. I really like this car. Over here we have a beautiful Chevy Bel Air. Black and red interior. And over here we have a 1953 Chevy Bel Air Convertible. This one belongs to the same owner of the 1953 Chevy 3100 that we just finished taking a look at. This one, they did an LS swap. It has a Chevy Corvette LS3 engine, as you guys can see on the camera. Big intake. They also redid the interior. The interior was done by our friend Sergio from SC Customs. As you guys can see, it came out very, very nice. It is the first time that I actually see it in person. Very nice. I cannot wait to see this car out in the street. I promise you guys that we're gonna do a video with this car. We have to take it on a test drive so that we can feel the power of that LS3 engine. We also gotta do a burnout. I don't think the owner is gonna like that. Guys, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know with a big like. If it is your first time passing by my channel, don't forget to subscribe. Mario, thank you so much for allowing me the opportunity to pass by your shop and film the cars that you have and that beautiful Ford F100. I'll see you guys on my next video. Adios.